Good evening. My name is Bradford Wayne Bowman, and my company is Bowman Technology Group. We exist as a strategic partner for medium and small-sized businesses and organizations to protect their computer infrastructure. We provide near real-time response while reducing the cost typically associated with IT security. We can do this by leveraging our internal data sets, our tools, and our proprietary algorithms. Our increased efficiency means that we know first and therefore can react faster to potential cyber disasters. Small to medium-sized organizations are woefully underprepared and rarely provide adequate protections for their computer networks. Many of them think incorrectly, it can't happen to me. Our experts pair up with our machine learning algorithms and our event data collected from each client to provide more of a realistic monitoring approach and providing near real-time responses should the customers need it. Much in the same way that you would hire an alarm company to monitor and protect your home, we monitor and protect small business computer networks and ensure that their activities are not malicious in nature. The same way that that home security system would notify, alert, and coordinate, we monitor and respond in a way that reduces the financial losses typically associated with a cybersecurity incident. For us, it comes down to prevention, notification, and response. Why now? Currently, large cybersecurity companies such as Mandiant FireEye and CrowdStrike are not bothering with small to medium-sized organizations because they provide overpriced products and do not adequately serve these potential customers. This can be extremely problematic for smaller healthcare companies and local government entities. 43% of cyber attacks are targeted towards small businesses in the first place. 42% of those successful attacks against small businesses are experienced by those same. 46% of all cyber breaches have impacted businesses with less than 1,000 employees. And 60% of those small businesses that are targeted and have a successful breach will close within 6 months. Monitoring and prevention is far less expensive by paying a company like mine to monitor, report, and respond to cybersecurity events before they become a breach. That being said, the average cost for a cybersecurity breach for a small to medium-sized business was anywhere from $120,000 to $1.4 million, according to numbers from 2022. This explains why such a large number of these small businesses are closing after they experience such a devastating cyber attack. By further leveraging and developing our machine learning intelligence platform, I hope to capture the small business market as a leader in cybersecurity. The cybersecurity market is growing. Current estimates in 2022 put the total market value globally at just $2 trillion. The total available market in the United States is to be about $90 billion in just small to medium-sized businesses alone. Because we are targeting smaller healthcare and local government entities, we expect a serviceable market of $3.6 billion a year in California alone. If successful, my company hopes to have a serviceable market of $389 million per year. The majority of our serviceable market lies within the central San Joaquin Valley, northern Los Angeles, and southern California coastal markets. Our customers are healthcare and local government entities who employ 25 to 250 people at their organizations. We currently reach our customers through word-of-mouth marketing. Our greatest asset for our customers is our reputation as experts in cybersecurity, which is quite frankly why they keep coming back and renewing their contracts. Our expertise at Bowman Technology Group has been cultivated through many years of dealing with foreign adversaries in a military context. And as a result of that expertise, we have become a critical emergency contact, or 911, for customers to call in the event that they suffer a cybersecurity incident. The current cost for us to acquire each one of those customers is approximately $825 per account. It's hard to calculate how long these customers will stay with us because I've only been in business for such a short time and have yet to see a customer not renew or decide to replace us as their security vendor. We are confident that in the Southern San Joaquin Valley alone, we can add roughly about 1,100 customers, accounting for an estimated annual revenue of $2.8 million within the next 12 months. This accounts for about 8% of a $35 million market. When it comes to competition, we have three main categories: large companies like Mandiant FireEye and CrowdStrike, managed service providers like Grapevine MSP and Advanced Technologies, and open source products who are already targeting these same small to medium-sized businesses, but overlook the fact that a small business is going to need an expert or somebody that is skilled in the product to provide proper incident response. Each one of our competitors often lack the expertise and involvement with the customer to provide what we call realistic cybersecurity. Our efficiencies set us apart from our competition because we build on our existing and helps build on our existing reputation. We hope to translate this in the near future to a cloud-based software platform that will allow us to not only share and monetize that platform, but also monetize the data sets associated with it. As of Q1 of 2023, we achieved our first solvent quarter. As of May of this year, we will be entering into the fourth year of business and have already deployed our machine learning algorithms to assist with customers during real cybersecurity events. Looking ahead, we want to develop our artificial intelligence and machine learning platform for future use, not only in cybersecurity, but in other industries as well, as we see applicable. We are hoping to protect our intellectual property through a series of copyrights, patents, and trade secret, as well as add mobile device protection to our service offerings. In the very near future, I'm hoping to increase our marketing budget, lean into my strategic partnerships, and drive revenue. I started my business in May of 2020 and during the middle of the pandemic. And like many businesses, we operated at a total loss for 2 full years. And starting in January of 2023, we were finally able to become solvent and pay the bills of the corporation using the revenue generated from our customers. It is estimated that with our current contracts, we will close December 2023 with a total revenue of $104,000. I project that in the year 2024, we're going to more than triple our current revenue. For my business to obtain its future goals, I need to market more, lean into our proprietary machine learning algorithms, and hire world-class employees who have the same vision and passion for my company that I do. Under my current plan, I'd be using roughly about 10% of the funds that I need for marketing alone. I'm asking for the capital necessary not only to upgrade our current data center, located here in Bakersfield, California, but also do the required research and development to finish our software as a service offering, which we hope to call Archer One. That being said, I'm asking for a total of $770,000 in exchange for 15% ownership in Bowman Technology Group. Good evening, and thank you very much.